What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Scott's Garage. Today we got a little update video for you today. We're gonna try to fix my four-wheeler. We got it all tore apart. Last time we were here, she's acting up.
You're acting a fool, to say the least.
She's acting a fool. So I got a new air filter again, a K&N air filter this time. I got a new spark plug. So we're gonna try to get it running right, get some new, another quart of oil. If you watched last video, big fail. Big fail. Need some new oil. And
gotta put the belt housing back together.
yeah, we gotta put it, it's all tore apart. So just to say, I turn it on and it idles out a little bit and it hit the gas and it doesn't go. It doesn't do anything really.
It went like 15 miles an hour.
Yeah, we finally got it running. We put the new gas in it, tried to cycle it through, and then I could get it to like 15 miles an hour max. So we don't know if maybe the throttle's messing up again, or we're gonna do what we can today and see if we get it running right. So we can go shred, so Drew can hear his new exhaust.
Yeah, I'm about to sell this thing if we don't go riding soon.
I mean, if you didn't see the last video, I mean, you gotta watch that. Put this baby on there. Oh, yeah, look at that. Check
out these fresh stickers too. Get exhausted. I mean, shit, look at this one. El Brando. And you just got the clean RJWC Power Sport sticker.
Dick off.
Hooking your boy up with some nice sticks, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta represent, man. Got to. So I'll give you guys an update whenever we start working on this thing. Them snorkels looking good though, boys. How about it? Them wheels and tires. Shoo! There it is. Hopefully, I've said this the last, how many times? Hopefully the last air filter that I have to buy.
Air filter number what, 4?
Third one I've bought, fourth one total.
Did you buy that waterproof sleeve or whatever?
There it is. No, I didn't buy it. I should have.
Beautiful.
Well, boys, we tried. We
Try to get her done.
We put her all back together. Put the filter, oil, spark plug, everything all back together. We got it running.
Started just fine.
Yeah. Started right up. Even got her going down the road, and it was going probably twice as fast than it was last time. So I thought we were on the right track. Went around the block a couple times and then came back around, stopped, it shut off on its own. Now it doesn't want to start again. So if you know anything about four-wheelers, tell me what's wrong with mine.
Also, it's making a knocking noise when you give it gas.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
rattling around up in this area.
So,
if that's
you
just
know
bad
anything,
gas or
what that could be? It's bad gas, or something with the throttle. We don't know what the hell's going on.
We're gonna take it to the shop.
More than likely, water and stuff has got into my engine and into the gas and probably everywhere. So we're gonna take it down to the shop and get it professionally done, get it professionally looked at. Because I mean, we're professionals. We know exactly what we're doing all the time.
yeah.
But
We know exactly what we're doing. It's just, you know, we got vacation coming up and stuff. And
it's just with COVID and stuff. I think some businesses need help.
yeah.
So we're like, well, we'll help out the common man.
Yeah. That's it.
Support your local businesses, you know. Just give us a break. Because, I mean, obviously we know exactly what's going on. It's just don't feel like doing it.
Yeah.
Well, it's probably gonna do it for this one, boys.
Yeah. Might be a boring video. It's just something just a little update, you know.
So, like I said, if you know anything about it, let us know how to fix it. We'll let you guys know when she's fixed and back on the trails. Peace.